Oh no, sana all. Yeah, look at what is that? Huh? Where are you looking? We are ready. Just waiting for the Grab to come. You wearing lipstick too? Yeah, no. That's a natural lipstick. Natural lip color for my baby Ayana. It's so hot in the Philippines today. Very, very hot. Huh? Say hi to them. Say hi. Oh, give them blankies. Very good. One more time. One more time. What's the sound? Say, mama, mama, mama. What's that? Kili-kili? Show them your kili-kili. Oh, what's that? Huh? That's the one, babe? White one?
No.
How much longer?
It's Astropark.
Astropark? Astropark pa tayo, baby. Hindi pa to natulog ang batang ito. Today pala pupunta kami sa doktor. Kay Dr. Kwak-Kwak again. Papa-check up na naman ang daddy nito. Check up, check up. Ako inaantok na tong batang ito. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Si Peekaboo. Ay. Smiling baby Yana. Oh, Peekaboo. Ay. Si Best baby Ayana. Oh, go sleep na. Inaantok na ang bata. See? Close your eyes. Go to sleep. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama. Going. Grab is here. Smiling yun. Masaya ang bata. Mag-ride na naman. Brum, brum, brum. There is the car. Car. Oh, oh. Too bright. Oh. Why? Okay. Wow, it's windy today. Good thing it's windy.
Much more cooler outside than inside. Wait,
Okay.
can you remove one thing for me, please? Can you remove that covering that you done on top?
Why?
It stops all the wind.
Babe, the wind is just outside, babe. When it's rain, that's our protection.
What rain for protection?
When it's raining, we can sit outside. That's why we put it there.
Raining, you want to sit outside.
Yeah.
You won't let me go outside in rain. You want to sit outside in rain?
Kami naman problema nitong taong ito.
There is some wind blowing outside.
Huh?
I don't understand how.
Tabla. Where's the cat, baby Yana? Can you see the cat? Right there. Cat. May paninda pala si Lola. Yay. Babe, out there. Why you're blocking the way? Here. There you go. Fuck up. I got 20 here in my bag. Inside my bag. There. Yeah, there is 120 there. No, on the other side. Okay, stop right here, anak. Sorry. Yeah, we owe them 300. 1,000 for check-up.
Only thing is, this is.
You put some ointment, you put some
I put
moisturizer, these things, okay?
moisturizer.
Yeah, because that dries off it. And don't, there will be times where it's gonna be itchy.
Yeah, every night when I come from work.
Yeah, so I'm gonna give you some medication because otherwise if you started scratching that and then you will injure it,
Yeah.
then that will start again.
That's the
Okay?
reason I'm putting moisturizer on both
Yeah,
my legs.
yes, put moisturizer.
Yeah.
Because of the overstretching of the skin
Yeah.
okay, during that time. Yeah. Avoid any trauma there, okay?
Yeah.
Because the tissue inside is still fresh.
Yeah.
So
That's the
any
reason I
bump, small bump,
Yeah. I
110/70 can injure the inside, you know.
Yeah.
110/70.
That's the reason I started wearing jeans. I mean long pants now. So at least I have to insect bites and everything.
Awake
You
now?
awake now? Doc, all my prescription got over last week. So
What?
prescriptions.
Yeah.
So are you going to give me some more?
No, just for the itchiness.
Itchiness.
Yeah, and you take it as needed only.
What about vessel dew and?
The vessel dew we will continue because that increases
Okay.
the circulation.
And the antibiotics, no?
No more.
No more. Okay.
But sometimes swell up, right?
Huh?
Minsan doon namamaga pa rin yung ano niya.
Oh,
paa.
syempre. Fresh pa ng pamilanggo. If
Yeah.
too much, then the fluid will go down there.
Exactly.
So is that
Yeah.
the reason why it's swollen
And
sometimes?
Then, and then,
Yep.
And then when I come home, I put my leg on top. Then
It
swelling
will go
goes
down.
Swelling
Yeah.
goes down.
Yeah. The stockings actually now will benefit from that,
So I should
especially
wear stockings?
if you intend to work for long hours, you know.
Yeah.
Then you put some form of stockings, compression stockings.
Okay, I have the stockings with me. I'll start wearing that.
Nak! Go there, go. Mercury drug. Come on. No Jollibee. Where's it? Did you see something? Something interesting, no? Okay, good. You didn't see the Jollibee. Babe, hold her hand, not the cloth. Where are you guys going, babe? Where are you going? I'll take a video only. Oh. Jollibee. That's your Jollibee. Your favorite bee. Lift her up, babe. Lift her up. Kiss Jollibee. Give a kiss. Jollibee. She's coming. Okay. Let's go. Where do you want to sit? Right here? There's a space here. Where? Here? Which one?
Service water then.
Okay. You happy? This is for ate.
Ay, nako.
You wait.
You got this for her, now she'll get angry now.
Yum yum. Okay, mommy saying yum yum. Mommy saying yum yum.
Wait.
Rice again.
Huh?
Rice.
Yeah, because it comes with the rice.
Be careful.
This girl is so irresponsible, man.
Come, give it to me. I'll text her.
4 p.m. means 4 p.m.
Okay, go. Mama's following.
Not all of them. Just give me half of everything. Let me know the prices, huh? So she can't even reply that I'm going home.
Yeah, I know. I think she went somewhere. Just curious that she's walking on the way home. I think she went to her friend's house.
Because she started lying now.
Yeah, I know. Where's daddy? Call daddy? Oh, careful. Nakaalis ka ng ano. What's that? Dancing? Da 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 da. Bumblebee. Da 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 da. Di mo tayo kumanta. Parang nang kumanta na. Okay. Careful na. Careful. Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Careful na. We will sit down here. Let's wait for daddy. Oh my goodness. Anak, you sit like that. Where's daddy? Why did it take so long? Huh? There, yeah. Bye-bye, Nak. We're going home. I know. We're going home. Look at your hair, anak. It's so messy now. What have you done? We're just waiting for the grab na dumating. Ang mahal pala nun. Tiningnan ko yung eyeglasses doon. 7K pala yun. Nakala ko 2K lang. When I look at before, it was 2K. How come it's 7K? Ano ba yung nakita ko dito kanina? Nakita ko siya kanina. I-reflect mo yung video ko. Yeah. Anak naman. Ay, naku, 9 minutes? Bye-bye, Jollibee. Oh, Plank is Jollibee. Give Plankies.
Blanket Jollibee. Oh, bye-bye Jollibee.
Yay, bye-bye. Okay, let's go home. Let's go outside.
That's why we will be eating Jollibee every day.
Go. Go outside. Let's go wait outside na lang. Still hot? Woo! Napakalamig sa labas. You want to sit there? It's a vacant table. Let's have a seat there first. Dance, dance na. Bumblebee.
We're going home now. Come on. Come on, he's coming.
Let's go, nak. The driver has arrived. We're at, babe. Go, sabi. Go. Let's go. Mama. Mama is here. Trike. Trike. Raise your hand. Hold trike. Trike. Come on. Raise your hand, baby. Trike. Say trike. Trike no more. Trike. Trike. No trike. Say taxi. Say taxi, where are you? Can you stand up here enough? Stand up first. Stand up there. We're going home. We're done for today.